Good morning, everybody. My name is Dr. Shaktipada Sit. Today, I shall be discuss about electrohomeopathic materia medica. Previous, I have discussed about electrohomeopathic materia medica on Cancer Show 1. Today, I shall be discuss Cancer Show 2. Previous I have discussed essential plants of Cancer group. That means essential plant or common plants which are present in original Cancer group of medicine. Conia maculatum, Vince toxicum officinalis, Pimpinella saxifraga, Ras toxicodendron. Previous I have discussed its ingredients and medicinal functions separately. Today I shall be discuss uncommon plants which is present in Cancer 2, that is Equigetum arvens. Equigetum arvens is the special or uncommon plants which is present in Cancer 2. Equigetum arvens, its ingredients are equigetin, salicylic acid, ferrous oxide, aluminum and potassium chlorides, vitamin C, tannin, etc. As per ingredients of those ingredients of Equigetum arvens, its medicinal function on human beings are: it acts on the urinary system, glands, etc. And next, special plant or uncommon plants which is present in Cancer 2, Petroselinum sativum. Petroselinum sativum, its ingredients is oil of parsley mucilate. Oil of parsley and mucilate. As per these ingredients of Petroselinum sativum, it acts on human beings on the urinary system, mammary gland and bronchial tube, etc. Next, I want to discuss medicinal action or mode of action of Cancer 2. Here, mixing of Equigetum arvens and Petroselinum sativum with essential plants, that means Conia maculatum, Vince toxicum officinalis, Pimpinella saxifraga and Ras toxicodendron. Then it is prepared or formed a new complex medicine, that means Cancer 2. It is observed that the resultant force of the above plants' essences act effectively on urinary tract, mammary glands, etc. Besides, it is therapeutically observed that Cancer 2 or C2 acts on the tube-like organ or bladder-like organs, that means gallbladder, fallopian tube, urinary tube, etc. That means tube-like organ or bladder-like organs of it acts on the cell and tissue of those bladder-like organ and tube-like organ. This remedy maintains the cellular decomposition of those target organs. It stimulates the secretion of gallbladder and increases the healing of wound. Now, its effective organs are bladder, glands, joints, hypodermic tissue, ovary, etc. And secondary effective organs are urinary bladder, urethra, mucous layer of the intestine, spleen, etc. etc. Therapeutical uses of joints pain due to osteoarthritis, gallstone, inflammation of the gallbladder, hydrocele, cyst in ovary, lack of breast milk, and intestinal ulcer, jaundice, albuminuria, and diabetes mellitus. Now I want to discuss some combination which is used in as joint pain. Joint pains setup medicine C2, S5, L1 and G. Next, ulcer in the intestine, that means set up medicine of ulcer in intestine, C2, S10, A3 and B. Gallstone, if it create physiological disorders, gallstone, C2 plus S2 plus L1 plus Y. Allergy, C2 plus S2 plus A3 plus Y. Ovarian cyst, C2, S2, L1 and G. Urinary catarrh, C2 plus S5 plus F1 plus B or RE. In the above combination, I have discussed C2 is the main remedy and other rest remedy are helping remedy. Dilution may depend upon the intensity and duration of the diseases. Thank you very much. You all follow my next video and next setup. Thank you.